Is there a way to make your iPhone dumb? This app can do just that. The Dumbify app goes for $4.99 in the App Store, and it requires an iOS device that is running at least iOS 16. The Dumbify app in the App Store is the #1 app in the productivity category. And what this app allows you to do is minimalize your home screen so that you can only have the apps that you need in order to operate your phone on any given day. When you launch the app for the first time, you are going to get a blank screen here, and this is where you will do the majority of your home screen customization. If you tap on Add One Now, you can see a list of a bunch of default apps. There are apps listed here that I do not have installed on this device, but these are commonly used apps. If we tap on Create a Custom App, we can also add a shortcut, we can add a request, but this is a little bit too advanced for what this app is trying to do. But if you need to take it a bit further, then this is where you can do it. Now, under our default apps, you can select an app. For example, if we look at 1Password, it's currently disabled. But if we tap it, then we can add it to a widget. And this widget is going to be very important when we are creating our minimalist launcher. Once we go home, we can add a widget, and we can select the Dumbify widget. And this is the Dumbify launcher. Once we add it to the screen, then we can see that these apps are listed. You could also launch the app. So if we tap on Calendar, this will launch the Calendar app. One thing you want to know about this app is that it can only accomplish its task if you decide to delete all of the other apps that you decide that you do not want to use. Because it's really easy to have a minimalist launcher, but if you just swipe over to the right, then you have your app library with a ton of different apps and distractions. This app is perfect for those who wish to limit all of the distractions that their phone has, maybe to curb down some screen addiction. It can help, but it's going to take a large effort from you in order to accomplish that goal of reducing your screen time, reducing your screen addiction as well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment on if you want to use this app, and subscribe if you are new. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.